In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect Add to Cart to Checkout in Shopify Dawn theme. If you want customers to skip the cart and head straight to checkout, the Dawn theme already has a built-in way to do this using accelerated, also called dynamic, checkout buttons. You don't need to edit any code or install apps, just a quick setting in your theme editor. Start in your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. From here, you'll want to open a product page template so you're looking at the layout for a single product. In the left-hand panel, find the Product Information section, then open the Buy button settings inside that section. Turn on the option labeled Show Accelerated Checkout Buttons. As soon as you enable this, your product page gains an extra button, often labeled Buy It Now, or it might show a branded method like Shop Pay or PayPal depending on what's available to the shopper. This button sits beside or below your regular Add to Cart button. The key difference is what happens when it's clicked. The accelerated button bypasses the cart completely and takes the customer straight to checkout, making the path to purchase faster and more focused. A few important details to keep in mind. Accelerated checkout works with the single product and variant that's currently selected on the page. It won't bundle multiple items together or combine products from across your store. It's designed for the buyer who's ready to purchase that one selection immediately. Your regular Add to Cart button remains available for shoppers who prefer to continue browsing or build a larger order. If you don't see the setting right away, double-check that you're editing the product page template and that you've selected the Product Information section. The dynamic button label can change based on the shopper's device and payment options. So what you see in the preview may differ from what a customer sees in their region, but the behavior, skipping the cart and jumping to checkout, stays the same. Once you've enabled the setting, preview a product, choose a variant, and click the new button to confirm it sends you directly to checkout. This small change can reduce friction, especially for returning customers who already know what they want, and it can lift conversions by cutting out unnecessary steps. That's all you need to redirect. Add to cart to checkout using Dawn's accelerated checkout buttons. It's quick to set up, easy to manage, and entirely supported by the theme. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the faster checkout flow on your store.